Hey guys, it's me Tori and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, I'm horrible at these. I'm horrible at everything goal related. I suck at New Year's resolutions and I can freely and totally admit this. Every year I set a goal to lose weight, an unrealistic goal, might I add, and it never goes anywhere. I promise that I'm going to stop drinking soda. It's right here. I promise that I'm going to eat better. No more snack cakes. No more chocolate. No more greasy fried foods. But this year, I really want and need to lose some weight. Whether it be 25 pounds, 40, 60, 80, or 100. I'd love to lose 100 pounds, but I don't want to do it in a year. I want to do that slowly. I want to make sure it's done right and it stays off. Now, I keep saying things about keto diets and keto eating, and damn, some of that food looks freaking amazing. Okay, I'm all down for bacon, sausage, ground beef. Oh yeah, pork. Yes. Okay. Take away my bread, I'm saddened by the fact that I have no carbs, no sugar, no sweets, no coffee with sugar. I'm a sugar person and I don't tolerate artificial sweeteners. I can't stand the taste of stevia. It leaves an aftertaste. Splenda leaves an aftertaste. Any of those they're not artificial. They're more organic or natural sweeteners. I can't do. But my goal is to lose 20 pounds in 2018, and I plan on taking that as slow as I possibly can. I really need to get into the gym. I have a gym membership for Gold's Gym. I think it's a Gold's Gym. I've only been once after signing up in May of last year. Yep. A waste of $20 a month. I think it's 20 bucks a month. So yeah, I need to get into the gym, and I also need to use my tread climber every day. 365 days this year, for at least 15 minutes. I hate my tread climber. It was my worst purchase ever. So Bowflex, I absolutely hate my tread climber. It's rough on my knees. I can barely spend 10 minutes on the damn thing, and you guys make it look so easy on the commercials. If it was that easy in real life, people would actually buy your product. I regret buying it, but I promised my husband I would use it for 2018 until I pay it off and I can sell it to somebody who may be in a little more better shape than I am. I have like 6 different Beachbody workouts, 22-minute hardcore, country heat, insanity, T25. I probably have more. I got them stupid Kangoo jumps last year or the year before and hardly used those. I bought weights. I bought a trap bar and 2 10-pound weights, Olympic weights. Ain't never used those. They're still both in the boxes. The weights are, and the trap bar is still in the garage, still in plastic wrap. Never used them. So I need to start. I got a punching bag and stand. Yep. I need to put all these things to good use and use what I have here before I use anything else, and also use my gym membership and actually do something with my time and actually lose weight. I need to start meal planning. That's the goal. That's not gonna last very long. Yep. I become a very complacent when it comes to my meal planning ideas, my meal planning in general, whether it be family foods or just for me. I just kind of, I don't want to do it. It's too much work. So I really need to get that out of my head and actually start doing something. So 2018 is my year to lose some weight, tone up this body. After 5 kids, it's a wreck. Ugh. Find a plastic surgeon after paying off most of my debt. See what else I can get into. But really, my only New Year's resolution is to continue making videos here on YouTube. To be consistent and make 12 videos a month, depending upon what kind of month it is. January, it's only 12. So, thanks for watching. Come back for the other 11 videos this month. I'd love it if you subscribe, like, and share. It would be fantastic and it would help me a whole lot. It would help put me in a situation, a better situation, to create more content for you guys. I have a lot coming up. So, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can actually be notified when I upload a new video. So Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you should see a video from this ugly mug right here. Yes, this fat face with these jacked up teeth, who is still working on fixing those too. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the rest of 2018. Bye guys.